with you. Anything you want.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alindria Quinta Latif.
And my name is Brian Panuntun Karim.
And my name is Fadil Alasis Kusuma Wibowo.
And today we are presenting our sensor system final project, which is a digital scale based on a Hall effect sensor and an Arduino Uno. So first, the need for accessible weight measurement. In most applications, weight measurement is done using load cells, which rely on strain gauges. However, load cells can be expensive and require additional signal conditioning. In this project, we explore the use of a Hall effect sensor and as an alternative approach by measuring changes in magnetic fields due to mechanical movement. The project objective. The main objective of this project is to design and implement a simple sensor system that converts mechanical displacement into an electrical signal. We also aim to understand the sensor's behavior, characterize its output, and process the data using Arduino.
System concept. When a load is placed on the platform, the springs compress and cause the magnet to move closer to the Hall effect sensor. As the distance decreases, the magnetic field in strength will increase. The Hall sensor detects this change and outputs a corresponding analog voltage, which is then read by the Arduino. Next. Essential hardware components. This slide shows the main hardware components used in our system. The Arduino Uno handles the data acquisition and processing. The Hall effect sensor detects change in the magnetic field, while the neodymium magnet provides a stable magnetic source. Springs are used to convert weight into displacement, and the 6x6 cm platform and base support the entire structure. Next. Sensor characterization. To characterize the system, we observe the sensor output different magnet distance. Based on the recorded ADC values, we categorize the magnet positions into far, medium, and close range. This characterization helps us to determine suitable threshold values for wave presence detection. Next.
Okay. And now we are talking about the measurement method. For each measurement, a non-load is placed on the platform. The Arduino reads the Hall sensor output using analog input. Multiple readings are taken and averaged to reduce noise. The final value is then recorded along with the corresponding magnet position and wave presence classification. Okay, next slide. Okay, in this slide summarizes the effective measurement range of the system. The Hall sensor output is read in ADC unit from 0 to 1023. Based on our characterization, a threshold value of 300 is used to indicate wave presence, while value below this are considered safe. And then the next slide. Okay, the data table shown here will be populated after the full experiment is conducted. It includes the magnet position, sensor output, and wave presence status. This structured data format allows us to analyze sensor behavior and validate our threshold selection. Okay, next slide. And now we are on the conclusion. Okay, now we are talking about the limitation and conclusion. And the limitation we are facing are relative measurement. ADC value cannot be directly converted to weight due to environmental variability. And the second point is sensor constraint. Commercial Hall effect sensor lack optimization for design to weight conversion. And the third one, electromagnetic noise. Susceptibility to external magnetic field affect measurement reliability. And for the conclusion of our project, while Hall effect sensor can be detect magnetic field change, most commercial sensors are not suitable for precise weight measurement due to unstable ADC conversion and electromagnetic noise. Advanced signal processing or alternative sensor technology may be necessary for reliable weight measurement application. And next slide. Now we are talking about our feature enhancement. Okay, for the first one, we are going to complete the calibration. Thoroughly calibrate the system across its full expected weight range to optimize accuracy and reliability. And the second one, we are going to advance we are going to advance the signal processing by implementing the filtering and data processing technique to reduce noise and enhance measurement stability. And the second one, and the third one, sensor optimization. By conducting a deeper research into Hall effect sensor specification to identify a sensor better suited for precise distance to wake
Do it.
conversion. And I think
In here we
that's
have
presentation from
our sensor and our circuit, and the LCD will show the condition of our sensor that is detecting the magnet. If I just put the sensor in the magnet, it will detect the magnetic field and it will flicker the light. As you can see, the condition is from far to medium. And if I just flip it over, it will go to red as it goes, and the value will jump off from just 10 to until 800 and more. But this is unstable, and we have this is just a prototype, so that this is only just
Wake
temporary
conversion.
solution.
And
Thank
I
you.
think that's presentation from our group. Thanks for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Zombie apocalypse.